Hello everybody. Thank you for joining us this fine day. Today we are going to draw the Ghostbusters logo. So to begin, you could use any object if you wish to get that circle going. However, I would have more fun doing some freehand circles in the sense that you might have to go through the practice a few times to get an approximate circle, or a circle that is accurate enough to work for your logo. But that is the easy practice. So just go around like that and you can have a circle to work with. Now the Ghostbusters logo is essentially just mostly circular, and we have that line going through. So it is what you call a genius, one of the most impressive logos that I have seen, and that is my personal opinion, but I think that I could say that that is based on the genius of it, the simplicity of it, a fact as well. In high school, when the Ghostbusters fever was, let's say, at a fever pitch, everybody wanted one of these in their books, on their jackets, on their t-shirts. So I've had my share of what you call free work and practice put in, but I haven't done this in quite a bit. So why I'm erasing that is because the hands of the main feature of the logo go through those areas, and the head goes through somewhere there, and we will get to that in 1 second. So we have that stop sign in place, and then we will begin drawing the ghost. So it is simpler than you think. So just put in a very thin oval first, right there. For hands, just go like so, and put in an oval here, and put in an oval somewhere here. So that, the stop sign thing, you make that a little more solid there, and then those lines, circle in those places. And now we will start fleshing out this guy. So that is a worried, scared ghost. Genius, as I said, a scared ghost. So right there we have it. Of course, we saw these things in the very fun to watch Casper, the friendly ghost, where ghosts could be worried, but in this sense, a scared ghost, I had not seen this before except in Ghostbusters. So if you haven't checked out this concept yet of pop culture, you should. And that is actually pretty much it. Oh, forgot a bit of the shoulder there. So at the back it's all black essentially. The ghost himself is white. And I would actually place that hand a bit lower, and I would fatten that shoulder up to that, because I know that this part of the circle does not have any black behind it, so we have to make sure that if you're going like this, it just vanishes behind the ghost in that way. So you could put in two big circles, use two big objects, or you could always use a compass. But again, if you practice freehand, this will give you quite a bit of practice in doing circles as well. So that is more or less accurately the Ghostbusters logo, and I hope that you have a lot of fun drawing this guy. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe. Let us have your comments as well. Please keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.